Nilfisk Food is specialized in developing low-pressure foam cleaning equipment. How does foam cleaning work? After foam is applied to surfaces, the detergent attacks the soil, and collapsing bubbles provide fluid detergent that disperse the soil. The collapsing bubbles create a slow-moving film, an excellent release of active liquid. At Nilfisk Food, our goal is to achieve the optimal foam using various technologies. With patent-pending Corona technology, the air is injected in the water stream over a bigger surface area and at a higher speed, resulting in better mix of water, detergent and air that not only generates approximately 20% more foam, but also extends its cling time on surfaces significantly. The Corona technology used on the food and beverage range of equipment like satellites and main stations is a unique construction that sets standards within the cleaning industry, resulting in creating visible and long-time clinging foam. What are the advantages of foam cleaning? Increased contact time of detergents with cleaned objects that better penetrates dirt and reaches hard, accessible areas. Visible proof of cleaning. Easy recognition of treated and untreated surfaces. Encapsulates soil and detergent and prevents splattering into cleaned areas. Lower production downtime, time savings. Economical savings, detergent, water and labour cost savings.